Recently, Shiba Inu are demonstrating their might once again. The price is rising. People are thrilled. New signals are being dropped by analysts. The short term currently seems to be crazy. However, what about the long haul? Coinbase just revealed a huge report. Today, after more than 7 years of stillness, everything changed. Shiba Inu may soon reach a new all-time high. What's going on? How does this make sense? What am I even talking about anyway? Let me clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu is once again displaying its might, making a statement, and raising its price. But hold on, this price increase doesn't appear to be random. Experts claim that a more significant factor is involved. In fact, Shiba Inu's graph is indicating that it is preparing for a significant upswing. Taking a broader view, the recent price accumulation makes it evident that Shiba Inu is preparing for a significant event in the coming months. Shiba Inu immediately recovered from a little price decline last Thursday, when it dropped by slightly over 3%, and yesterday saw a robust increase of more than 7%. Renowned analyst CryptoLite has been closely monitoring the Shiba Inu chart and is very optimistic. Their study indicates that the technicals are looking excellent, and Shiba Inu may be headed for a huge price increase if the current trend keeps up. They predict that the coin's current value might increase by an astounding 850%, setting a new peak and surpassing its previous all-time high. What's the thrilling part? According to CryptoLite, this explosion may occur very soon. Shiba Inu's future is bright, and anticipation is growing. Here's the catch, however. Although Shiba Inu prices seem to be stable and rising, there is a catch you should be aware of. Although Shiba Inu has recovered some significant support, an expert noted that a critical price level that has been difficult to breach will be the next significant obstacle. Recent pricing changes are beginning to suggest that this obstacle could be overcome once again. The on-chain data contradicts the claim that mood, rather than real statistics, determines cryptocurrency prices. A significant obstacle to Shiba Inu's advancement is the enormous quantity of tokens, an astounding 65 trillion tokens, that are stored in more than 200,000 wallets. If holders begin to cash out, there may be a sell-off since these tokens were purchased at the prior price range. Shiba Inu may see a significant increase in value if purchasers are able to take in these tokens and continue driving the price upward. However, individuals who now own these coins are losing money, and if things don't improve, there's a good probability they'll start selling. Although it also creates the conditions for a struggle over the price level that may determine Shiba Inu's next major move, this might cause some volatility. Considering all of this, you may still be curious as to why this price hike is occurring. Are we overlooking anything here? Now, let's stand back and consider the wider picture. As it happens, Bitcoin is also undertaking some very significant changes. Analysts have noted that Bitcoin's price is rising as it continues to rise. In fact, Bitcoin just crossed the $100,000 threshold once again, setting a new record that is attracting a lot of interest. The bull run is gaining momentum, and it's obvious that more will follow. Nor is this price spike an anomaly. With increasing institutional backing and a surge in optimistic speculation, the cryptocurrency market is seeing a robust rebound. All of this is taking place as Donald Trump, the president-elect, is ready to sign an executive order that may revolutionize the cryptocurrency industry. It is anticipated that he would issue an order designating cryptocurrencies as a national policy priority after his inauguration on January 20th. This is significant because it signals that the U.S. government will formally acknowledge cryptocurrency as a key business, allowing industry insiders to have a larger role in determining future regulations. This development is significant for the cryptocurrency field and suggests that the bull market may be about to rebound. As is well known, Shiba Inu and the rest of the market are often pulled along with Bitcoin as it changes. The government's increasing backing for cryptocurrencies sends a powerful optimistic signal to all cryptocurrency assets. Additionally, it may be the ideal chance for the developers to provide new upgrades, encourage new advancements, and maintain the momentum for Shiba Inu. When all of these elements come together, Shiba Inu and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole may be in for an interesting future. Much if the price point of $100,000 is enormous, something much more bizarre is happening. The quantity of Bitcoin on exchanges has fallen to a 7-year low for the first time in history, which is causing some people to take notice. According to them, it can be an indication of an impending supply shock. With only a small portion of coins accessible for immediate trade, Bitcoin's exchange reserve graph is displaying a sharp decline and is now at its lowest position in years. Since it implies that investors are hanging onto their Bitcoin rather than selling, fewer coins on exchanges often mean less immediate liquidity, which is sometimes seen as a positive indication. This may pave the way for more market upward momentum. There's a catch, however. The present rising momentum might be jeopardized if Bitcoin loses pace and falls below a crucial mark around 97,000, which could lead to a wider sell-off. However, for the time being, the prognosis is still optimistic. This is also supported by on-chain statistics, which shows that the number of long-term holders is rising, further suggesting that investors are feeling secure and choosing to purchase rather than sell. These indicators all suggest that a supply shock may occur, which would raise the price of Bitcoin even more. Bitcoin seems to be well positioned for future development because to its low exchange reserves, growing investor interest, and sound technicals. The excitement around these cost pumps has caused quite a stir. There's some wild news now. The amount of altcoin trades on Coinbase has recently skyrocketed, even exceeding that of Bitcoin. Other cryptocurrency trading pairings have been making waves, according to CoinGecko statistics, making up more than 25% of Coinbase's trading volume in a single day. The level of trading activity has been astounding. More than $1.7 billion. With a trading volume of almost $1.3 billion, Bitcoin is in second position for some perspective, but it's evident that altcoins are gaining a lot of traction these days. This unexpected spike in cryptocurrency trading demonstrates how active the market is and may also be a hint of further momentum in the altcoin area. This is significant, particularly for Shiba Inu. It seems like the altcoin season may be about to begin, according to observers. Shiba Inu is one among the cryptocurrencies that are receiving greater attention, as seen by the recent spike in trade activity on sites like Coinbase. This price surge is an indication of something significant for Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is preparing for a possible all-time high in the near future, according to analysts. Shiba Inu are clearly recovering after a little correction, and the community is becoming more and more excited. According to TradingView analyst Real Cryptoroy, Shiba Inu has probably reached its local bottom, which suggests that the worst may be over and that a positive rise may be imminent. Shiba Inu must overcome a crucial barrier level that Cryptoroy has discovered. We could see a test of recent records if Shiba Inu can overcome this obstacle and maintain the pace. Even more thrilling is the possibility that even larger rallies might be triggered, perhaps propelling Shiba Inu to new all-time highs, if it is able to break over this barrier with significant trading volume. The Shiba Inu community is giddy with anticipation about the possibility of a huge change. We may be on the verge of something significant for Shiba Inu, since the market's attention is turning to cryptocurrency, and the breed is exhibiting encouraging growth indicators. It's becoming more obvious that Shiba Inu are seemingly unstoppable in the long run. The Shiba Inu community isn't being rattled significantly, despite the emergence of some skeptics. As Satoshi Kusama previously said in a tweet, they are, if anything, more committed than ever to disproving the doubters. Watch the story change as the winds blow, he remarked, after sharing how wonderful it is to watch people doubting and sticking to the same old myths. This aptly captures the current state of Shiba Inu as we examine the ship and prepare for the future. Notwithstanding any doubts, the Shiba Inu group and community are continuing to work together, plan for the future, and make steady progress. The momentum is only becoming stronger, as seen by the latest actions and events. There's more to Shiba Inu than meets the eye. It all comes down to the vision and the strong foundation being established. With a dedicated following and a clear path ahead, Shiba Inu seems to have a bright future and is prepared to continue surprise people. The narrative is undoubtedly changing, and Shiba Inu may continue to take the lead in the cryptocurrency arena as the winds of change blow. However, what do you think of this? Leave a comment below. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.